Roughly once a month, you should clean around the print head and the maintenance parts. To do so, click on Menu, Maintenance, and then select Cleaning the Maintenance Parts. And here we have two options. We're going to do print head area and around the cap. And touch the OK button and click Start. Next, we're going to take in our ink cleaner. You have a cup, tweezers, gloves, and the ink cleaner. Take the ink cleaner and pour a little bit in, roughly like 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Next, we're going to open the covers. First the top cover, then the side cover. Dip your cleaning stick in the cleaning liquid and make sure it's not dripping and just be damp. Next, clean around the print head, in the back, on the side, in the front, and on the other side. Then here in the front, in the back, and the sensor as well. After you close the covers on the other side, put the display down and open up the covers on this side. First the top and then the front. After you cleaned around the print head earlier, wipe the cleaning stick from any residual ink and dip it again in your cleaning liquid and make sure it's damp and not dripping. Next, we're going to clean around the suction cup. First all around it, and then just the edges from the top. If there's any dirt or ink pieces on the suction cup, make sure to remove them with the tweezers. Dip your cleaning stick again into the cleaning liquid, make sure it's not dripping, and we're going to repeat the same cleaning procedure on the anti-drying caps. First, all around the edges, and then from the top sideways. You want to do this for all colors. Once you're done, close the front cover, then the back cover, and bring the display back up. And touch the Done button. After we're done cleaning around the print head, anti-suction cap, and anti-drying caps, let's do the media cleaner. In the back, we have 5 media cleaners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To remove those, let's push up the lever, and then we're gonna pinch on the left and the right and pull them out. And then we have the brush that comes with the printer, and we're gonna remove all dust that has been collected previously from the rolls. Once we're done cleaning, we're just gonna put it back in till we hear click on both sides. We do the same thing on all 5, and once we're done, push the lever back down. Once we're done and have all the covers closed, let's get the display back up and touch the Done button.